Mom, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Where did I come from?
You? We found you. In the garbage. Under a box.
In the garbage?
Yes. So if you are a very bad boy today, I put you back in the garbage.
I do not believe her. She is joking. She always jokes. I am Mom's baby. She cannot throw me away. I am not garbage. Right, Mr. Teddy? Mr. Teddy, did someone say you were garbage too? Before I found you? I do not think so. I think you were always good. I am still here. Mr. Teddy is still here. The sun is gone. It is gray now. I am thirsty. I want some milk.
Yes. It is old. It is noisy. I want to throw it away today. Yes, today. We do not want it anymore.
Old, noisy garbage. Is that me? She said it. She wants to throw me away. This is a happy family. But I am garbage. I cannot stay in the picture. Mom loves this picture. I will leave it here. She can look at it when I am gone. It is okay, Mr. Teddy. Grandma will keep us. Left, right, perfect. I am a big boy. Yellow coat. Yellow is brave. Grandma said on rainy days, yellow is safer. Mom, I am going to Grandma's house now.
Wait a sec. Good boy, you put on your raincoat. Have fun at the playground, okay? Yes, I'm listening. Mom, am I know! I'm so glad that junk is gone. It was useless anyway. Junk. Okay, I am going now. See you for dinner, sweetie.
Dinner, Mom said dinner. Is it the Last Supper? Before she throws me away?
No, I don't want it. I'm leaving.
Goodbye, Mom. Grandma, I am coming.
Wait, did he just say Grandma's house? I can't even walk there. Leo's just 5 years old. It's impossible. Is it actually going to rain? Well, at least Leo's wearing his raincoat. That boy, he's so prepared.